Hello guys, you're welcome back. I never expected you to love me unconditionally, Rosie says as she drops love message for ultimate love, Kachi. Rosie has finally opened up on her intentions and expectations regarding the love she shared with Kachi. In a recent post made on her Instagram account, Rosie revealed that she never expected unconditional love from Kachi regardless of all. Rosie said she is yet to gather the reason why Kachi would love her even when she never presented herself to be lovable, but in all she's still thankful. While sharing the love message, Rosie also disclosed that she fell in love with Kachi not because of his look but because of who he is. She wrote, "I never expected you to love me. I didn't see any reason that you should. I never thought myself very lovable, yet I am thankful to be allowed to love you and you loving me back. I am enraptured in your gaze and embrace. I fell in love with you not for how you look but just for who you are, although you look pretty great hot." The ever-loved damsel who just celebrated her birthday a few days is still trending so hard, and her followers are still wondering why she is so blessed with all the good things of life. She has the best man who loved her unconditionally regardless of all she has been through, and perfect fan who always support her to be the best among all. From the way things are unfolding among Kachi and Rosie, they are indeed blessed, and I don't know about you. Please guys, let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. If you're new, don't forget to subscribe and also hit on the bell icon to get new notification when a story drops.